Good morning, all the students. Standard 6th, Subject English, Unit 6th, Shadow and Light, and its Activity 5. लास्ट वीडियो में हमने एक्टिविटी 5 को कवर किया हुआ था. इसके बाद लेट्स स्टार्ट द वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज अबाउट एक्टिविटी 5 पार्ट 1. So, all the students, please open your English workbook, page number 71, activity 5. First of all, you all have to understand carefully and then complete all the exercise about unit 6. First exercise है, read the following texts carefully and answer the question given below them. First question है, what is shadowgraphy? Shadowgraphy जो है वो क्या है, किसे बोल सकते हैं हम? शेडोग्राफी. आंसर आएगा, शेडोग्राफी इज द आर्ट ऑफ यूजिंग हैंड्स टू मेक इंटरेस्टिंग शैडो शेप्स ऑन अ स्क्रीन और ऑन अ ब्लैंक वॉल. शेडोग्राफी क्या है? फर्स्ट पैरा में ही, फर्स्ट लाइन में ही बताया हुआ है. शेडोग्राफी इज द आर्ट ऑफ यूजिंग हैंड्स टू मेक इंटरेस्टिंग शैडो शेप्स ऑन अ स्क्रीन or on a blank wall. Second question, which country is the origin of the shadowgraphy? Answer आएगा चीन. चीन is the country of origin of shadowgraphy. Then third question, page number 72 पे, how did a 15 years old boy become a popular? Answer आएगा, a 15 years old boy named Felician Travery became very popular for his hand shadows. He liked to make his hands look like the shadows of famous people. Then second para's first question, how is doing hand shadows advantageous? आंसर आएगा, doing hand shadows activities a part of brain called Broca's area which help with a language. Then second question, how can you start making hand shadows? आंसर आएगा, we can start making hand shadows with a nice bright light in a dark room and shine the light so that our shadows shows on a blank wall. Then third, what is the most of the easiest hand shadows to start with? Answer आएगा, one of the easiest hand shadows to start with a bird. We can easily make the bird fly by moving our fingers. Then exercise 2. Select the most appropriate option from the options given as answer to the question given below and write its relevant number letter in the provided box against the question. First, shadowgraphy is, आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन बी, एन आर्ट. देन सेकंड, इन olden days people used puppets for the shadowgraphy, option D. Then third, Felician Travery left home at 15 years to become a, option D, both A and B, that is performer or a magician. Then fourth, blanks made Felician Travery very popular, option आएगा C, his shadowgraphy of famous people. Then fifth, doing hand shadows activities a part of brain called, option A, Broca's area. Then sixth, Broca's area in the brain helps with, option B, language. And 7. What do we require to start with hand shadows performance? Option D आएगा, A and B. bright light also, or blank wall also. Then last, one of the easiest hand shadow to start is option A, bird. Then third, pick out the tick mark correct in the box against the following statement if they are true, and cross mark if they are false. First sentence, the Chinese travelers learned the art of stenography when visiting Europe. It is wrong. Then false. Second sentence, in ancient time, people used puppets for stenography. It is true. Then third, Felician Treasury become a popular for his magic tricks. It's false. Then fourth, it is scientifically provided that going hand shadows activities a part of brain called Broca's area. It's also true. Then fifth, doing hand shadows one can learn a language well. It is true. Even if there is no screen, one can project shadows on a blank wall. It is true. Then 7. Shadowgraphy is to make interesting shadow shapes on a screen using hands. It is true. And then page number 74 पे लास्ट एक्सरसाइज है इस एक्टिविटी की, मैच द फॉलोइंग ए और बी. वो आपको लेसन के हिसाब से मैच करके ए और बी ऑप्शन में से करेक्ट करके लिखना है. सो हियर वी कंप्लीट अवर एक्टिविटी 5's exercise in workbook, and then in next video we will start activity 7 part 2. Thank you.